Yeah.
So,
Yes, yes, I'm able to see.
yeah, this is the Snowflake homepage. Okay.
Okay.
If you go through the previous recording videos, you will come to know how do you create and all. Or else I will help you to create this one. Okay.
Okay.
Salme, have you remembered we have created this account and then we have seen this option.
Yes, yes,
Have you created the account?
yes.
Okay. Just I will explain. I will explain what are the options are available. What are the options are available in this Snowflake account, and then we'll proceed further. So that Nihar, you go through the recording videos. Today is Friday, and tomorrow and day after tomorrow weekends we don't have classes. And so meantime, you take the recording videos from the institute people. They will give you
Okay.
and go through that, complete that, and create this account. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Sure.
Mhm. Chalo, now this is the Snowflake free trial version account. Snowflake free trial version account. We'll explore what are the options are available here.
Okay.
So first of all, click on the data here. Click on the data. So if you click on the data, it will click on the data. It will. If you click on the data, it will display what are the databases are already created in this Snowflake account. That database list will be provided in this section. See here, we have created brand new Snowflake account, and then by default these two databases will be provided by the Snowflake. This is the Snowflake and the Snowflake underscore sample data. These are the two databases. Okay, these
Okay.
two databases are provided by the Snowflake.
Snowflake.
But if you create your own databases, all those databases will be listed here. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Then if you expand the database, then these are the schemas. Are available in the these are the schemas are available in the this is Snowflake database.
Okay.
If you expand the any schema, underlying objects will be available in the particular schema. So
Okay.
in this schema, there are a lot of objects you can create: tables, views, stages, snowpipe, stream, star. Based on the requirement, you are going to create the objects. All those objects will be listed under this schema. What I mean to say, in one database, you will be having a multiple schemas.
Mm-hmm.
Within one schema, you will be having a lot of objects. According to the requirement, you are going to create all those objects will be listed in this schema. So
Okay.
this is the database. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
from here, if you want to create any database, then you can create by clicking this option database name.
Sample.
I'm creating one database, sample database. If you click this one sample database, then that new database is going to create here in this area. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
database. Whenever you please keep a note. Whenever you create one new database, whenever you create one new database, automatically default two schemas will be created under one database. What I
Okay.
mean to say, if you create a one database, automatically two default schemas will be created. That is public and then information schema. You don't create these two schemas. Whenever you create a this database, these two schemas will be created. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
So this is the one thing. Under this database, if you want to create any new schema, then click on database, and then here you have a schema
Option.
option.
Mm.
If you create schema, then that schema will be created under
Sample database.
this database. See, sample schema is created. Okay. In this schema, you can create a lot of objects. You can create the table, you can create the pipe stream. These are the objects. These are the objects you can able to create. Okay. This
Okay.
these things and all we will create through the code. But this is high level information. How the databases we need to list, and then schemas and then objects we need to list from this option. So this is the one of the option how we are going to work. Okay.
Okay.
Guys, now this is the project.
Mm-hmm.
So from here you have worksheets.
Okay.
If you have this worksheet, then this is the worksheet where you are going to write. This is the worksheet where
Mm-hmm.
you are going to write all your SQL code in the Snowflake. Where
Okay.
you are going to write and then execute the SQL code in the Snowflake. And
Mm-hmm.
now we will explore the options which are available in this worksheet. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, still here clear or not clear?
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, clear.
Soumya,
Yes.
clear, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, so this is the actual area where you are going to write your SQL code and then execute in Snowflake. Already, as I discussed in data, so same thing here. This is the C databases here. Databases, whatever the databases are created in this account, those databases will be those databases will be listed in this section. Okay. Again,
Okay.
if you expand the databases, then it will list out the schemas and then underlying objects. Okay.
Okay.
Underlying objects. Worksheets. You can create multiple worksheets also. If you create the multiple worksheets, those worksheets listed, those worksheet lists will be provided here. Okay.
Okay. Worksheet means Shekhar, we can
No,
uh,
I will explain. Worksheet means what? What is your background, Nihar?
database developer.
Which database?
Like multiple now I am working as a migration specialist, like Oracle, PostgreSQL, Azure SQL, and also I have DB2, Green Plum.
Okay. So PostgreSQL, where you are going to write your SQL, right?
Mm-hmm.
SQL queries, right?
Yes.
That session.
Mm-hmm.
So that is the same worksheet here.
Okay. Worksheet means a session in Snowflake in high level.
Yeah, session where you are going to write your Oracle, you are going to write your query, right?
Mm-hmm.
Same thing, you are going to write queries in this worksheet here in this area.
Okay, got it, Shekhar.
Worksheet, multiple worksheets.
Mm.
So those, if you open the multiple worksheets, even in Postgre also, you can open the multiple sessions.
Mm-hmm.
Multiple.
Different windows like.
So here worksheets.
Mm.
Multiple worksheets you can open and then those worksheets will be listed here. Okay,
Mm.
fine.
Yes.
Chalo. Now, this is the worksheets option and this is
Mm-hmm.
the database option. You can
Mm-hmm.
create whatever the databases are available.
Mm-hmm.
Then those databases list will be available in this area. Whatever the worksheet you are creating, those worksheets are available in this area. Now, this is the database pane, database area. You can hide or you can see this option. You can hide or you can see. How do you hide? You currently you can able to see this area. If you want to hide, see close sidebar. See here, close sidebar.
Mm.
Then open sidebar. Close sidebar. Open sidebar.
Yes.
This option. Okay. Close editor. Here, this one.
Mm-hmm.
Close editor. Okay.
Yeah.
Now this one. Open result. If you if you execute any SQL, then it will display the result. If you want to close that result, then you will use the open result, close the result. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
clear or not clear?
Yeah, clear.
Now, we'll discuss about these options. What are the options are available here? Okay,
Mm.
this is the admin role. What are the no? What are this is the rules? This is the rules area. What are
Okay.
whenever you create a Snowflake account,
Mm-hmm.
that user by default that user will be allocated to the this account admin role. Account admin role is the top role in the Snowflake. If you have this account admin role, then you can create, you can do anything in the Snowflake, and you are the super user like that. So
Mm-hmm.
these are the roles are available in the Snowflake. These are the roles are available in the Snowflake.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? We are going to discuss all these rules in the as part of our further sessions. Okay,
Okay.
so this is the role, and in very initial discussions, we have discussed about the virtual warehouse. This is the virtual warehouse. This is the
Mm-hmm.
virtual warehouse, and then this is hardware resource. In the Snowflake, there is no concept called software installation. There is no concept called hardware configuration. No.
Mm-hmm.
So hardware resources are provided by the this virtual compute warehouse. This virtual compute warehouse.
Okay.
I will show you how do you create the virtual compute warehouse under in next sessions. This
Okay.
is the virtual computer. This is a hardware resource. By using this, you are going to work everything. Without this, you can't able to do anything. Okay. So
Mm.
these are the roles. This is the virtual compute warehouse.
Okay.
Okay. Hardware resource. Clear or not clear?
Yeah, means compute doublets, it is a inbuilt while the snowflake you will be connecting, then it will be automatically coming.
This is default one. The
Okay. Okay.
default one provided by the Snowflake. You can also create your own and then use that virtual warehouse.
Okay.
Soumya, following.
Hello?
Soumya, are you following?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Shekhar, I have one doubt.
Yes, yes.
In Oracle, let's say, suppose uh, we have the database and schema. Okay. Let's say, suppose I am close the my databases at that time. The what's it means Windows are automatically closed. In this scenario, in Snowflake, suppose I am close the database. So suppose I am creating the worksheet.
Mm.
Okay, let's say one to worksheet has been created, but in this scenario, what happened? It's automatically closed or it will showing the suppose
What,
I
what, worksheets, sir?
yes.
No, worksheets will be available. Suppose if you open the 10 worksheets and then close the Snowflake account, those worksheets will be available. No need to worry.
Okay, okay.
Those
The
worksheets will
other
be.
databases, if I'm closing the database, the worksheet just like the window, so it will automatically close. If I am opening further or connect to my databases, that time we have automatically one worksheet will be open. Then we have to add another one, so automatically it will adding. But in this
No,
scenario, yeah.
whatever the worksheets we have added earlier, and those worksheets will be available here.
Okay.
It will not close. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Then, so this is roles and then this is virtual warehouse. This area. So I told you. So these are the
Database.
existing database.
Databases.
Existing database. In which database you want to work, then you need to select and then so you need to select the database and then schema and then start working under the database.
Yeah.
You need to select that database, and then once you select this database, you are going to working under this database. Okay.
Yes.
Now I will select this database Snowflake sample data. Okay. I will select anyone database here, anyone schema. See here, this is customer is the table name. Yes or no?
Yes.
Customer is the table name. TPCH underscore SFO is the
Schema name.
Schema name.
and then Snowflake underscore sample
Database name.
database name. So this is the fully qualifier name. In my all sessions, I am going to use this fully qualifier name only. This is the table name here. I use the table name. If I want to use view name, then I will replace the view. If I want to put here external stage, I will put the external stage. If I want to put the pipe, I will put the pipe here. But always I use this fully qualifier name only. Okay, guys. I use always fully qualifier name only. You also need to make a practice like this only, because in our all projects we are going to write all the objects like this only. If you are working with the table, you are not only going to write a table name, you need to provide the full table name dot schema name dot table name, database name dot schema name dot view name, like that. Always you need to write the objects like this only. This is the fully qualifier name. Clear or not clear?
Yeah, clear.
Yes, yes.
Now, if you execute the code, see, for each and every SQL, you need to end with the
Semicolon.
semicolon. I will tell you. See, you have two sequels here. Yes or no? Sequel 1 and then sequel 2. Okay. If you properly end the sequel by the semicolon, just you place the end of the semicolon. Suppose this is sequel 1 and then this is sequel 2. Properly, if you end the query with the semicolon, and then if you want to execute the second sequel, you just place the cursor after the semicolon, and then this is the execute button. This is the execute button. Just you execute, and then it will give you the result. I will explain you what happened. Okay. And if you want to execute, suppose first sequel, then place the cursor after the semicolon, click execute. This is one way. Or else you can select the sequel and then execute. You can select the sequel and then execute. This is the execute button. Now I will go through this result window. See here, result window, query detail. This is the output of your query. Okay. Query details. How many seconds it has taken?
82 milliseconds.
Yeah, how many? Just it is giving the details like time and then how many rows it has written. What is the query ID for this query? Whenever you execute the sequence in the Snowflake, for each and every sequel, it will generate the query ID and then it will maintain the history also. Okay, end time, scan, role, warehouse. What is the role you have used? Account admin. What is the warehouse you have used? Compute warehouse. Okay. So this thing, and here copy query ID, view, copy query ID and then view query profile. We will discuss later this one. Okay. RLC. I told you copy query ID means this query ID will be copied. Okay. View query profile means it will go into the other window. So from there, if you want to see the query history, what are the queries you have executed, corresponding query and then corresponding query ID, you can able to find here. Okay. Next, so these are the options here. These top options. So this is the statistics of your query, right? Statistics of your query. Statistics means what? Numbers. How many records are written? How much time it has taken? What is the start date? What is the
Information about the courier.
that is what information about your query and then result. Okay.
Yes.
This option. This is query history. You can go to the query history here. Okay. what are the queries you have executed. So that if you click that, it will give the output of those queries. Okay.
Okay.
This option, this query details. Okay.
Mhm.
This is if you want to download, if you want to download the result in this format, you can able to download. Okay.
Mhm.
Now this is in the output. If you want to filter only a specific columns, you can filter with the specific columns only. What is happening? One second. Apply. So you can filter particular column only. If you have a n number of columns, you don't want to see those number of columns. You can filter those many number of columns and then download that output into some other sheet. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
This is all about the options which are available in the Snowflake. Okay.
Okay.
Now what you can do from your work, you create the Snowflake account from your own, and then try to uh, uh, go through all these options whatever I have explained. So from there further we will continue, because if you don't do all these things, then it is confusion for you guys. Yes or no?
Yeah. If don't practice means it will be like a some other world.
First of all, you have to understand the options whatever I have explained in today's session. Yes or
Mm.
no?
Yes. Yes.
So that, do one thing, Soumya. So all these things you guys can go through the options and then be familiar with these options. And from there, like in next session, we'll start how do you load the data into the Snowflake in next session. Okay. But in before coming to the next session, you have to be familiar with all these options, whatever I have explained you. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Mm.
So
So
yeah, because see, I can explain the multiple things, but without creating and without knowing this option, that is meaningless. That's what I am thinking. What do you say?
I'm also agree with your point. Mm.
Hmm.
Uh, Shekhar, some like you told me in the beginning of the class, like some recording videos you will be share. Like in that, also the Snowflake architecture will be available, or you will go through the Snowflake architecture.
No, no, that is what I told you. Uh, that is what I told you.
Hmm.
Go through the recording videos first.
Okay.
Okay, recording videos. You go through the recording videos. First of all, in this weekend,
Hmm.
some initially you ask them previous session. You ask them previous sessions. Okay.
Hmm.
First three recording videos, three session recording videos, they will share you. Go through that,
Hmm.
and after that, if you have any queries, we will discuss.
Yeah. Like I will tell them in the same like please share the previous sessions videos. And you also just inform to the institute, otherwise they
I
will
will,
be.
I will, I will, I will inform them. You ask them initial, previous sessions, first three sessions, first 3 to 4 session recording videos.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
You go through them and
Hmm.
then create this Snowflake account. Go through the whatever the options are explained. So
Hmm.
from there, then we will continue.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah. Yeah.
Any other question?
The class notes and the
Everything I
PDF.
will provide you, don't worry. Everything I
Okay.
will provide.
Oh, okay. And Shekhar, it is not regarding the class, but like so it will be like if you will follow properly, you so we can easily crack this interview, na? I
Back
think.
end, yes, yes, yes. Yeah.
So actually 12 plus year experience, so that's why I think.
Sorry, sorry.
Actually, like 12 plus year of experience I have, so that's why I'm asking.
That's okay. That is doesn't matter, no?
Hmm.
So what do you want to ask? What do you want to ask?
Like, okay, well, middle of the like end of the class, I will ask like.
You just to follow me whatever I am going to explain. That's it.
Okay.
One second. One second. Yeah, tell me guys. Hello.
Yeah, and nothing from my side actually,
You
Shekhar.
don't worry, Nihar. So all these questions are little bit advanced only. We will travel. We will travel on the sessions.
Okay.
So one by one, we are going to discuss, and then I am going to share all the course material and the course session wise FAQs everything.
Mm-hmm.
If you guys go through all those things, then it will become easy,
Okay.
right?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So this is too advanced to discuss all those things.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Yes.
Correct, na?
Yeah.
Make sense?
Yeah. 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 Right.
Yeah. See, not even you have completed some 2 to 3 sessions also. You are worrying about now interview now itself, right?
Yes. Yes.
No, first we have to complete the sessions.
Mm-hmm.
You have to practice well, and again it will take 2 to 3 months to prepare from yourself, right?
Yes.
It is process. It will not happen anything in overnight, right?
Yes. Yes.
It takes its own time, right?
Yes. Yes.
So do practice very well, and then don't skip the sessions. I am going to continue the sessions if the people are there in the session 1 member or 2 hours. I don't bother. My duty is to teach.
Mm.
So you guys don't skip the sessions. If you skip the sessions, if 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 don't join, then it will drag the time, right? Duration of the sessions.
Mm-hmm.
So don't skip the sessions. Maintain the continuity, regularity.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
No,
that you,
yeah. Yeah. Yesterday some issue, network issue. That's why.
that's okay. That is my duty to update you guys actually.
Okay.
I
Yes.
will I will available always regularly. Soumya, you may seen right. Always I am joining, but you guys are not joining. Not only you, people, right, Soumya?
Yes, yes.
Always I will be available. Before you only, almost I am going to join. I will be available on time. 6 means maybe I will available 6:1, 6:2, 6:3. Means that's it. So I don't take the much time.
Yeah. Yeah. Um,
Right?
yeah. Yeah.
But
Day before yesterday, I have started to attend the class. Like past class, I have attended. So yeah, I have already requested to the institute to share the previous recording sessions, and I will go through that things, and I'll create that before that thing what the story has happened. I will just go through this, and I will follow.
And, yeah, Nayar, everything is available in the video. So if you go to one by one video, you can understand all the things. Means only 3, 4 videos are there.
Okay.
I will also inform them. I will
Sorry?
also inform them. Just
Yes, yes, I just ping them like in WhatsApp, like please share the previous recording sessions.
yeah, you can ping. If they don't respond, you can call them. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, just you, Secretary, just inform them like once. Yeah,
I will also inform this.
okay.
Yeah. Any questions, guys?
Mhm.
No, Shekhar, so I'll go to this part, and if you have doubt, then obviously we will discuss next.
We will connect on Monday and then discuss. Okay.
Yeah,
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 sure.
yeah. Sure.
Any doubts again? Any question?
No, Shekhar. Today, what you have given, there is no doubt. Once we'll go through, then we can find out if any doubts or something else. So,
Okay, then we will end the session for today, and then we will discuss. We will connect on Monday. Okay, we will continue the sessions, but don't skip the sessions, guys.
no.
Yes, it will increase the duration of the session. Okay, it is impacting you, it is impacting me also.
Okay, sure.
Correct. You don't bother if people are there. If two members are there, then I am going to continue. If one member is there, then it is difficult to continue. So
Okay,
that you guys just uh, maintain the regularity.
okay.
Correct, huh?
Yeah,
Yeah,
Chalo then, shall we meet on Monday again?
yeah,
yeah,
sure.
sure.
Okay. Chalo guys, have a nice day. Have a nice